Making a cream cake with a Pakistani flag design can be a fun and creative baking project. Here's a general guide on how to do it. Ingredients for the cake: 1. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2. 2 cups granulated sugar. 3. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 4. 1 cup milk. 5. 4 large eggs. 6. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 7. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 8. Pinch of salt. For the cream frosting: 1. 2 cups heavy cream. 2. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. 3. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the Pakistani flag design: 1. Green food coloring gel or powder. 2. White fondant or white whipped cream. 3. Moon and star shaped cutters, optional. 4. Round cake pan, 8 or 9 inches. Instructions. Prepare the cake. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 1. Grease and flour the round cake pan. 2. In a large mixing bowl, beat the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. 3. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. 3. Stir in the vanilla extract. 4. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. 5. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk. 5. Mix until just combined. 5. Be careful not to overmix. 6. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it evenly. 7. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25-30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. 8. Allow the cake to cool completely before frosting. Prepare the cream frosting. 1. In a chilled mixing bowl, combine the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. 2. Beat the mixture with an electric mixer on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. 2. Be careful not to overbeat. Assemble the cake. 1. Once the cake has cooled, carefully cut it in half horizontally to create 2 layers. 2. Place one cake layer on a serving plate or cake stand. 3. Spread a layer of the prepared cream frosting on top of the first layer. 4. Place the second cake layer on top of the frosting. Decorate with Pakistani flag design. 1. Divide the remaining cream frosting into 2 portions. 1. Color one portion with green food coloring until you achieve the desired shade of green for the flag. 2. Frost the entire cake with the white cream frosting to create a smooth base. 3. Use the green cream frosting to create a vertical rectangle on the left side of the cake to represent the green portion of the Pakistani flag. 4. Using a star-shaped cutter, create a crescent moon shape in the top left corner of the green rectangle. 4. Place it beside the moon and stars, if using cutouts. 5. You can also use white fondant to create the moon and stars, or if you're skilled with whipped cream, create them using that. 6. If you're using fondant, you can dye it with food coloring and roll it out to cut the shapes. Finishing touches. 1. After decorating the cake, let it chill in the refrigerator for a while to set the frosting. 2. Once the frosting is set, your Pakistani flag-themed cream cake is ready to be served and enjoyed. Remember, decorating the cake with intricate details like the moon and stars might require some skill and patience. If you're not confident in creating those shapes, you can also use a pre-made Pakistani flag topper or stencil to decorate the cake. Enjoy your delicious and patriotic cream cake on the occasion of the Pakistani Independence Day.